Hey everyone, welcome back to World Tech Zone 120. Today's video is going to be exciting because we're checking out the latest Roblox Blox Fruits new codes, including some rare, fresh, and trending codes that many players still don't know about. If you're grinding in Roblox Blox Fruits, these new codes can help you unlock free boosts, EXP rewards, stat resets, in-game bonuses, and other powerful rewards to level up much faster. This video isn't just about normal codes. Today we're covering hidden redeem codes, newest update rewards, and exclusive bonus codes that are getting extremely popular in the Blox Fruits community right now. Some of these codes are brand new, some are limited time rewards, and many players are searching everywhere to find them. Using the newest Blox Fruits codes can make your gameplay easier, help you progress faster, and give you a major advantage while exploring the seas and battling enemies. Here on World Tech Zone 120, I always upload the fastest Roblox code updates, newest redeem rewards, and fresh trending Roblox content so you never miss any free items or bonuses. If you enjoy uncommon Roblox code videos like this, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more future updates. And now, this video includes brand new Roblox Blox Fruits codes. Let's check out the newest codes right now.
I'm so happy.